welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a kind of a staple. This is something we should have made long ago, and I couldn't believe I didn't have a recipe up for it, and that is for Oreo pie crusts. Like, this is such a simple thing, it's really easy to make, and it's perfect for anything that you want to make that is no-bake, that has a chocolate crust. So let's get started.
Only 2 ingredients. Yes, really. We need 22 Oreos or similar chocolate sandwich cookies, or about 250 grams. 1/3 cup or about 71 grams of melted butter. Break the cookies into pieces and either get them to crumbs using a blender, food processor, in a bag beaten with a rolling pin, or using a mortar and pestle. I'm using a blender today, which isn't always the best choice. The problem with the blender is that the crumbs kind of clog up the blades. Once we got to the point of crumbs, pour them into a bowl. You can use the back of a spoon to break up any cookie chunks that didn't get properly crushed. Stir in the melted butter. Press the crumb mixture into the bottom of your baking dishes. I'm pressing them into pie forms. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. This is just to solidify the crust. If you want a softer crust, you don't actually have to bake it. Allow to cool completely before using. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.